I've got 2 baskets of onky nuts here, but yet they're very powerful onky nuts. They're going to be telling me what type of person you are. I'm going to find out more about you through these onky nuts. You don't believe me, do you? You better, because I'm going to find out through these onky nuts. So what I'm going to ask you to do, so you can sort of get up and stretch your legs a little bit. On one side I've got a basket of, oh, not so bad, they're pretty good. Yes. And here on this side I've got one basket. It looks a bit winyan. It looks a bit, oh, it looks like he had a bit of a rough time, he had a bit of a rough life. So what I want you to do is come and choose one of these each. Not the same, one of each. And then I want you to sit with that for the rest of the time that we're going to be here. And I want you to be thinking about some stuff that you don't want to hang on to anymore. Because everything's up to you from here on in. Because after we do this here, and you make sure, because this is your responsibility now with these here, which one you're going to decide to release in the kala. But when you do the release in the kala, you're going to do it with utmost respect. And you're going to do it with love. Because if you don't do it with respect and love, you're going to keep hanging on to that stuff, and you're not going to be any good to the people that you care for. Because if people are tuned into you, spiritually tuned into you, they're going to pick up all that negativity that you carry with you. And believe me, these people will. So, this line here first, come and choose one of each, please. Choose wisely. And you hang on to those now until end of the session. Okay. Who knows how to play pool? Who likes playing pool? Eh? Yeah, do you? Yeah. We'll chalk your cue stick up. Yeah. Chalk it up like you mean it. Don't play with it. That's the charcoal. That's the cob. Yep. Now, which one did you choose? That one. Okay, now that's all done. Put your charcoal there for the next one. And you got to spin this. You got to spin that until you get it. It's not easy, but that's all you got to do. Now, people, you need to come a bit closer and have a look what he's doing, because he's not going to do this on his own. You all can have a go, because he's going to run out of puff. As soon as you get tired, you just sing out next. And somebody just got to step straight in. And believe me, this is not easy, but I'm going to give you an experience, and you'll have the information that you need for survival. But we need to get this fire going to get rid of those the ones you don't want no more. But don't kick it out now. Keep going. Don't stop. All right, swap. All right, swap. Next one. All right, swap quickly.
Go, buddy.
All right. All right, stop. Stop, no more. Stop. Hold it, quick, take it away. What are you clapping for? You haven't got it going yet. Okay, grab that other pile over there, please. Where's that yonga gonna, that kangaroo poo? We need some of that. That's so good. Thank you. this now, so we're laughing. Now blow gently into the smoke. Blow gently. Bit more, bit harder. Bit harder. Blow. Blow. Gently. Okay, guys. Where's the team leader? Go and get that fire there going quick. Don't let it go out now. That one down there. Let everybody get around him to help him. You must get that one going, otherwise you fail. There you go, look at that. You've got your Carla, your fire going, your fire lit. So how are we feeling now? Yeah. Okay. You want to start? You want to start first? The one you're going to keep. Show me the one you're going to keep. You're going to keep that one. Okay. That's okay.
Represents my life.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wash yourself. Go around there. Wash yourself. Go around here, quick. Wash yourself. Righto. Move out. Good one. Righto. Move sideways now. All right, next please. Righto, wash yourself with yes. Righto, wash yourself. All right, next. And all that stuff relieved. All the stuff you just shared with me now, you can keep building on that. Building on that stuff, how you feel now. Because you are health workers. And you need to take that into your space when you're dealing with other people. And you got the one that you got. Could I just have hold the one up you kept, please? Okay. I just want to ask a couple of questions before we have lunch. Could I hold them up high so I can see? I just want to ask the question to this bloke here. Why did you keep this one? Because I want to know more about him now. Why did you keep that one?
It was more unique to me. It's got more of a story.
It's more of a story? You don't have to share. Do you want to share a little bit of that story? You don't have to share much?
Sure, the other one seemed hard and perfect. This one seems damaged and vulnerable, and so I wanted to keep this as the reminder that it's okay to be damaged and vulnerable.
And that's part of your life's growing up story. Beautiful. Who quickly wants to share some of the stuff? Do you want to share yours? What do you keep that one for?
That's the same. Shows the brokenness that I've been through. Tells a story.
Yep.
And already it's been through fire.
Yep.
And it reminds me every single crack.
Yep.
Of the domestic violence and all this. It's who I am.
Yep.
But this doesn't define who I am.
Yep. Exactly.
It gives life.
Yes.
Through fire, gives new life.
Awesome. What do you keep yours for, brother?
I kind of went on the opposite thing of
Yep.
broken metaphor of
Yep.
damage can be on the inside. It can look all good, doesn't mean it's all good on the inside.
Awesome. You want to share?
Yeah, mine's got a little bit of damage, but it's mostly healed, which
Yep.
is something that I would like to personally aspire to.
Beautiful. And what do you keep yours?
I just like the light and the shape and the colour, and although it's cracked, aren't we all?
Yes.
And it's keeping my little one safe.
And the little one she kept, she put it in there. What does that little one look like? Where she put that one? Back in the... That's because we all come from the seed. She put that back in the womb. Yeah, awesome. And when you're feeling down and out, always have something that you can revert back to.